Now let's read this question carefully first. See,
Hmm.
whenever you solve any question, you just read the question carefully. An electron is made to enter symmetrically between two parallel and equally but opposite charge metal plates. So we have two metal plates which is charged oppositely plus, okay, this is negative charge.
Hmm.
Symmetrically means at midpoint. When electron enter like this, I don't know what is the charge. Charge is electron charge, and we know that. That is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. Clear?
Hmm.
What they are saying, the electron emerges out of the field region with a horizontal component of velocity 10 to the power 6 meter per second if the magnitude of the electric field between the plates is 9.1 volt per centimeter. Means electric field is like this, positive to negative. Okay, this is the direction of electric field. All right. Now tell me what they're asking, the vertical, then the vertical component of the velocity of electron. Okay. Vertical component means, projectile motion little bit.
Yeah, sir.
So tell me, like, if you know projectile motion, like, then we
Hmm.
have a horizontal component and vertical component.
Vertical component. Hmm.
Clear? So if you know that,
Hmm.
then you can solve this question like easily. So I'm not getting like, first of all, just check what is this. Each of 10 centimeter in length. So this is length of the plate is 10 centimeter.
Hmm.
So you just tell me projectile motion, why it is projectile motion? Because there is no acceleration in x direction. Because electric field is in the y direction. Due to electric field, what is the acceleration? Because electron on this electron has having the negative charge. Electric field will apply force like this. Electric force.
Hmm.
So force by mass. Understood? Q into E by Q. So how much? Tell me. Charges should put with sign.
1 minus 1.6.
Okay. Electric field is how much? 9.1 volt per centimeter.
Hmm.
Convert into meter. Okay. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power.
10 power minus 30.
Okay. In volt per centimeter, you should convert into meter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me what I need to do. What I will do, let it be like that. Unit is meter per
Hmm.
second square. Okay. Now what will happen? Now what is going to happen? If this is going like this, it will not go like this. Clear? It is going like this because of क्योंकि भाई देखो वो है ना ऐसा लड़का है हिंदी में ही बात करेगा इंग्लिश का एकदम यूज नहीं करेगा एकदम उसका vocabulary after coming out from this plate, since there is no force, it is moving continuously like this. Okay. Understood?
Yeah, sir.
No change in velocity because after coming out from this plate, there is no
Hmm.
force. Now it is coming like this. This is a curve or path. If you draw a tangent like this is the net velocity. Okay. It has one component in x direction, one component in the y direction.
Y
That is
direction.
x and vy. Actually, they are asking this vy. Now, the time, how much time does it takes to reach here? So, you can take, since they have mentioned Vx, horizontal component, how much? 10 to the power 6. So, you can use the equation Vx is equal to Ux like this. Okay.
Hmm.
Since there is no acceleration, understood? No
Hmm.
acceleration in x direction. Clear? So, horizontal velocity will not change. Understood?
Change.
But I just want to know how much time does it take, since velocity will remain constant. There is no acceleration in x direction means what does
Mm.
it means? It means that velocity is constant in x direction.
Yes, sir.
If velocity is constant, then we can apply this formula.
Next step.
Velocity is equal to distance by time directly.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
x direction. What is the velocity? Okay, this is the velocity. And initially there
Mm.
is no acceleration. So initial also same velocity in x direction. Okay.
Mm.
Are you understanding? Initial
Yes,
also same
yes, yes.
velocity. No acceleration means like that.
Mm.
Clear? So
Mm.
simply distance how much it travel while going from here to here in x direction. It travel in x direction how much? This 10. Okay.
Mm.
10 centimeter na. In y
Yes, sir.
we are not supposed to calculate in y. Okay, because I will explain. First calculate how much time.
Mm.
See the time which I am calculating. In this time it will travel x, and in the same time it will travel this y. Okay. In the same time it will reach and gain vy. Understood?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
So this is 10 centimeter, convert into meter. You will get a time. Time will be how much? 10 to the power minus
10
7.
power -7. Mm.
So they are asking vy. You can calculate vy. Uy plus, since it is coming like this horizontally initially, because there is
Mm.
no force. When it enter, it is coming horizontally. Okay. After entering only, it is following a curved path. Okay. So
Mm.
initially it has no velocity in y direction. Clear? Ay is how much? This is what.
Mm. Mm.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, 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 sir.
Solve this. Okay. Clear? So tell me the answer fast. 9.1, 9.1. Okay. So what is the answer? Tell me. Vy will be how much?
26, 31, 7, 1.6 in 10 power 7, -1.6 10%.
Okay. It means which option is
16
correct?
into 10 power 6.
So option 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.